everyone, it's Heather with Creating with Love and Grace. Today we're going to make this pretty door hanger for Valentine's Day. We're going to use this 12-inch scalloped heart outline heart first. I cut this with our laser. It's super easy. We're going to go ahead and decoupage some scrap paper from Hobby Lobby on it. First we're going to put down the Mod Podge, and then I did use this. It is a lightly script paper. It's really pretty delicate. I really liked it. I put the Mod Podge down, then I put the paper on, and I dried it a little bit, but then I went ahead and had pretty much dried up by the time I put the paper on. So I took out my small travel iron, and I went ahead and applied the heat to reactivate the glue. And then it was pretty good. I cut off the excess paper. And then this was probably the most trying part of the whole project. I went ahead and I used my Gator detail sander to get in and take off all the excess paper around each and every scallop. It was a little bit challenging, but I got it done without too much hassle. Thank goodness, though, you guys were able to speed through it. Once it was done, I went ahead and I took the top layer heart, which was, it's about an 11-inch heart. We did cut it out on the Cricut, on our laser machine, but there are many different ways that you can do this, as well as we will have a kit available soon, so you could purchase it. I used a light pink paint from Craft Smart. I just really wanted to keep it simple, pretty, and delicate. I was initially going to paint the love outline, the love word, with black, using a black marker, but then I decided to go ahead and use some burnt umber because the writing on the scrapbook paper looks brownish, and I thought it would look really pretty with that pink. So now I'm putting it all together. I decided that I wanted to raise it up just a little bit. So what I did was I grabbed some of my letter beads out of my stash. And sometimes I use these flat letter beads to go ahead and raise up projects just a little bit where the Jenga pieces would be too much. I just wanted it just a tiny bit raised off of the paper. So that's what I did. And then I hot glued on that brown love word using the burnt umber paint. Really like that. Really love the way that turned out. I think it accented it pretty well. And then I took some brown beads that I had. They were already done. I actually purchased them last year at Walmart at the end of this Christmas season. And they really match that burnt umber color really well. So I went ahead, the thing you want to remember when you're doing bead hangers is that you want to put an even number on there so that your beads, it doesn't end up being uneven when you hang it up. So that's really a nice little trick. And then I put some fabric on the jute with the hot glue. That way it kind of holds it on there for extra security. All right, and there it is all done. I hope you like it. I put it on one of my little hangers to show how beautiful it looks. Hope you like it.